Hello everyone, welcome back to AI News Flash with AI Rav, your quick, no BS roundup of the top AI breakthroughs that matter for business owners. Today is July 7th, and this episode covers all the major AI news from the first week of July. And trust me, this week had everything. From Meta's digital clones, to OpenAI taking a company-wide nap, and a startup trying to launch 100,000 new AI businesses. Let's jump right in. First up, Meta's new AI avatars are getting scarily lifelike. Meta's research team just dropped a model that can generate full-body digital avatars using nothing more than your voice and a still photo. It picks up on facial expressions, hand gestures, even eyebrow raises, just by analyzing your part in a two-way conversation, trained on data from over 4,000 participants across 4,000 plus hours of motion capture and 1,300 plus unique prompts. This is the most comprehensive non-verbal interactive video dataset ever created, purpose-built to teach AI how humans interact one-on-one. And here's the kicker. They have made the entire dataset open source, which means platforms like HeyGen, Synthesia, and others could soon use this to make their avatars way more lifelike. For business owners, think next-gen virtual sales reps, AI onboarding agents, or even digital influencers that move and emote like real humans. OpenAI just made their models way more powerful. They're adding web search to O3, O3 Pro, and O4 Mini through the API. That means your AI agents can now browse the web mid-conversation and pull in real-time answers. It's a step toward truly autonomous agents, perfect for tools in research, finance, legal, and even real estate. Also, OpenAI is hitting pause this week. No product rollouts, no big updates, just a company-wide shutdown for a week. A much-needed break for employees, after months of 80-hour weeks and constant poaching pressure from Meta. Even AI giants need a breather to stop the brain drain. Want to code from anywhere? Cursor now lets you. The Vibe coding platform just released a web and mobile app. That means your AI dev agents can now fix bugs, build features, and answer questions from your phone. Previously, you had to be in their desktop IDE. This update is a game changer for founders, product managers, and remote teams on the move. China's Baidu just open sourced its Ernie chatbot. That's a rare move, and one that could shake things up. It puts Baidu in play, alongside OpenAI, Anthropic, and DeepSeek, with a model that other developers can now build on. Expect a wave of innovation from Asia-based teams and a little more heat on the Western giants. Grammarly is buying Superhuman and going full productivity mode. Their goal? To build a universal AI agent that works where professionals spend the most time, inside their email. Grammarly already runs across 500,000 plus apps and websites. But with Superhuman, a popular AI native email app, it's stepping directly into your inbox. Now your AI can triage emails, draft responses, and coordinate agents across threads, all in one place. Grammarly CEO Shishir Mehrotra put it best. This is the future we've been building towards since day one. AI that works where people work, not where companies want them to work. If your team runs on Gmail or Outlook, this is the integration to keep an eye on. Amazon just hit 1 million warehouse robots, and wants more. They've launched a new AI foundation model to make their bots even smarter. It boosts efficiency by 10% and helps speed up delivery across the board. Amazon's turning warehouse automation into an AI moat. And this could eventually power logistics for other businesses too. Perplexity just went premium. Their new 200-month max plan gives you unlimited access to labs, early access to tools like the Comet browser, and top-tier AI models. If you rely on AI for research, competitive intel, or client strategy, this upgrade might pay for itself fast. Runway is taking aim at the gaming industry. They're working on a video game generation platform. You type a prompt, upload an image, and it builds a playable game. A lightweight version drops soon, with a full launch later this year. Yep, game dev might never be the same again. Next, imagine building 100,000 AI startups. That's the bold vision behind Audos, a startup that creates custom AI agents for entrepreneurs. They don't just build tools, they also give you seed funding in exchange for 15% of your revenue. With $11.5 million already raised, They say they've already helped hundreds of AI-first businesses get off the ground. So if you've got an idea and no tech team, Audos wants to be your co-founder. And finally, Sakana AI is building a model team. Literally, their new algorithm lets multiple frontier models collaborate. They tested O4 Mini, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and DeepSeek R1 together, and the team outperformed any single model on complex reasoning. Think of it like assembling an AI Avengers, each one handling different strengths, all in sync. That's your AI news flash for this week. If you want this kind of update every Monday, don't forget to hit like and follow Human Rav. Catch you next time.